welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Stihl MS250. If you watched the previous video to this, I did just quickly go over what I won at auction, small engine auction anyway. And yeah, we're going to unbox this 250 and start it up, break it in. So let's get into it. All right, so box was open already because they had the saw out for pictures. But yeah, let's unbox this sweet new machine. So right off the get-go, we have our tools. A scrunch, pretty standard. And then a little flathead screwdriver. So it's like Christmas. We have a Stihl chain. It's a super pre-stretched, oil-o-matic, chrome-plated. So yeah, it's gonna be the one that fits this bar anyway. I would hope anyway. Here's the saw itself. MS250. Yeah, it looks nice. It's all brand new. My first ever Stihl machine. Yeah, no fuel inside it. Not sure if they run these at the factory or not before they ship them out. I don't know, they must have to test them, but yeah, there's your, I don't want to break anything. I'm not sure how you open these. Oh, there we go. Bar oil right there. So this must be a Stihl thing. Lock like that. My Poland is just unscrew like that, so okay. Okay, so it's pretty much, I just want to read the instructions because I did quickly look at it and there's something about breaking in. I'm not sure if you just start it up and let it idle or what. So I'm gonna quickly look at that and then we'll carry on with it. Okay, over at the workbench. So now what I'm gonna do is take this side cover off so I can get the bar and chain on. Okay, take two for me. GoPro battery died. So, taking the side cover off, I want to attach the bar and chain. So, the bar, it's a Stihl Light number 4. Oh, it's an 18-inch bar. Okay, I thought it was a 16. Nice. That's awesome. My other saw, my Poland, it's a 14-inch, so that's a nice upgrade. Okay, let's get the chain out. Oh no, it's all tangled up. Or is it? Okay, there we go. That scared me for a minute there. Oh, this chain is sharp. Holy. Beats my dull Poland chain. Okay, so I gotta get this the right way. I think that's right. Okay, so okay, how do you go in there? Like that? That looks right to me. Make sure we fit this on the sprocket. Like that. Cover out the way. There we go. Okay, pull up on it. Okay. So yeah, what I was told was pull up on the bar when you're tightening the chain and the nuts, and then when you tighten your chain, pull down on it, and you should see 3 of these little teeth should be out. So yeah, that's about 3 that should be fully out. So hopefully, whoever told me that is right. There's the fuel. There's the oil. Okay, I guess I'll attempt to crank it up. So from what I've read, to break these in, you just fire it up and let it idle for a few minutes. So I guess I'm going to try that. Is there no primer on this thing? Huh. Doesn't look like there's a primer bulb on it. I guess that MS150 over there doesn't have one either. Okay. Okay, it burped. So now I can flip it to a half choke, I think. Okay, I hope it's broken in, but I was actually just seeing then, when I was throttling it up, it was spraying oil out. So the chain lubrication is working. Yeah, that's really meaty sounding compared to that Poland, wow. Like when you throttle it, it actually kicks up a bit like that. That Poland is like gutless, honestly, compared to this thing now, so. Yeah, that's nice. Now I just gotta try it out because I've actually never owned a saw this big, even though it's a small saw, right? So. Okay, I just want to end the MS250 unboxing video here. This is a few days later. I did just come back from going up to the mountains actually with it and cutting a bunch of firewood up. So it's got a good test. Yeah, anyway, we'll wrap this video up here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.